Good morning, Naija, and welcome once again to your Health Corner on top of the Good Morning Naija show, where me, your beautiful Dr. Adora, yes, they yarn you all the better gist where you supposed to know about your well body, make you for the very kajad. And the matter where they ground today. Now, simple things, so some common hygiene practices where you suppose they do, on a regular basis. Although you may, you got to think, say, me, I be chief when it comes to hygiene. Say, when it comes to cleanliness, now me then, I win prize when I did school, neatest boy, neatest girl. But I get some things, some of these activities where you feel they forget to do. But I want to show you some few simple steps, and what we go to yarn throughout this week, where you fit do to avoid common hygiene mistakes and smell good, stay healthy, and feel better every day. The number one thing now about cleaning your body. First and foremost, maybe we start with our teeth. Brush your teeth. You got to brush your teeth many times. I know say you don't hear. Say all our dental experts go there and say they suggest make you brush your teeth like 2 times daily. If you fit, after every meal, if it is possible, brush your teeth. You can never brush too much. After breakfast and before you go to bed, those are the stipulated ones where they don't yarn us, because this one will help prevent tooth decay, gum disease, that now your teeth not going to spoil. Then your gum too, those red, black for some people, where the teeth they grow out from, they prevent disease to happen for inside there. And on top that one, smelly mouth, if they brush your teeth, that one go waka. So if you want to make sure, say your overall oral hygiene, they very kajad. It's also important that you should also use floss. You don't see the picture now? Yes. Dental floss. Now, what they call them? Make you they do them daily. Then on top of that one, try to use toothpaste where get what they call fluoride. Because the work of this fluoride, we say it help to strengthen your teeth and to promote a healthy mouth. That's not the work of this fluoride. You fit also use mouthwash with that fluoride as well. On top of this one, where they yarn you, so when you brush your teeth, also try clean the rest of your mouth. Some people, they go just use brush only the teeth, just waka. Not forget your tongue. Not forget the roof of your mouth or the inside of your cheek, because this one say they feel leave harmful bacteria inside your mouth, and this one will cause hygiene problems. So just try gently, and not talk say make you go use all the power, scrape your mouth. Just gently run your brush over all the surfaces of your mouth, all these places where I don't mention, the roof of your mouth. Scrub the surface of your tongue with your toothbrush. That now those they call them, or they call them bristles. Those things where they come out. Use and brush the surface of your tongue anytime when you brush your teeth. After you do all this one finish, I beg, replace your toothbrush every 3 months. 3 months, make it not pass 3 months, because this one will ensure say your brush they're very effective and it is good for oral hygiene. Because if you too they use brush now, so you go they pack germs. See all the germs where they toilet on your own inside your bathroom, all the germs where they go they accumulate on top of your toothbrush. So if you not change them, yawa go gas. Then on top this one, I beg try see your dentists. Dentists now those doctors where they take care of teeth. See them regularly for checkups. Because most dentists they recommend say at least 2 times a year. But depending on how your mouth take be, some people their own wahala pass other people own. Your dentist go tell you say, okay, they come 4 times a year. You understand? Then as I tell you before, that flossing daily, it is very important. As you brush your teeth, use that dental floss every day. Waiting this one they help they do now say it help to combat bad breath, that now smelly mouth, and all those things where they inside your teeth where go they hide. When you chop, food remain. The one where they inside all those places, it will help they combat all these things. Put the floss between each of your teeth, run them from one edge to the other. Then make sure say the thing, or you also do them for your back teeth as well. And I beg, no use the floss, no snap them against your gums, because this one will make, as if you pull them too much, it go make your mouth to they bleed. Now here I go bar break on top the matter. I will still give you more gist on top this one tomorrow. So not just try yourself. Make sure say you join me same time tomorrow. My name is Dr. Adora, and this is your Health Corner. I go see you tomorrow.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.